iPhone 13 in the acceptable condition, renewed, here's what to expect. Let's have a closer look at the iPhone 13. At the end of this video, I'll be expressing my likes and dislikes about this product. You also have the option to be able to transfer all your information from your old phone to your new phone using the service provider, or be able to do it yourself. What I like about this Apple iPhone 13, the compact size, it's pretty thin, pretty light. The Apple quality, along with the apps that are included. The video and the photo quality is unreal. It's really up there with quality. Another thing I like about it as well is the battery life. So it has a longer battery life. And the thing I don't like about this phone is, just like I think most phones have to, is we have to turn off our phone and restart every once in a while. It's recommended to restart a phone at least once a week. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.